Yeah. Let me finish this video. Let me finish this video. Go to end, come back here. Okay. Video.
Let's go together. Rita is coming. Beautiful jungle, yeah. You like?
Yeah, this is actually quite a good jungle.
Adventure. We are exploring jungle.
Yeah, we are exploring the jungle. We have found this really tiny pathway, which I just now was about to fall in. So yeah.
Watch your footsteps.
Yeah, this is super small. Literally. It's super long, that's also that I can say. It's super long. Look. It's quite cool actually. This is how long is this, man? Walking for 2 minutes already. It's not even close to the end, I think. Oh. We're going deeper, I guess. Ah, here's the place. Yeah. Yeah. You can't show each other. So right now it's still till there we have to go. That's a long way. We have a long way to go. Now I have some steps. Well, that is very long actually. Okay, we're getting higher. And here it's super cold. Literally, I have to wear like 2 sweaters, man. Let's see actually how far can this go. This is what it looks like from my plane sight. Let's just put it like this. Nothing much. This place has a lot of moss and stuff like that, you know. Whoever made this must have really made this super long. Whoever made this.
What happened? Nothing.
Ooh. Well, this is getting real high now. Eesh. We found something. What is that? It's like a hut or something.
I think we are near our destination.
Yeah, I guess. We are quite close. I guess at least. So we're just going in more front. Oh, I think we found some house. School. We found some kind of house. Right over there. What is that? Some kind of house, I guess. Ugh. Trust me, guys. This is really hard to get up these stairs. Not even stairs, they're like just random rocks you have to jump on. Look. Some kind of house or something. We're gonna go down now. Okay. It looks like we're just going somewhere. Where my grandmother, dude? Yeah, see, it's like an entrance. For some reason, a lot of clothes are here. Oh, a bridge. Cool. Huh? So let's go up here? Okay. Let's go. You know, I went today. I was just walking a super pathway. I could have recorded that, but I didn't have my phone on here, that's why. So here, look, a wooden car thing, what's it called? Hut? Another one? Look up there. There's a place. That's a lot of clothes. Or rags, you can say. It's much further than you think. Come on, keep up. Look at this place. Looks cool, I guess. We are at some kind of place. Cool looking place. Whew. Some plants. Donation box. Since I don't have money, I cannot donate it. Did you have anything to donate? Like money? See, donation box. I'll just tell my grandmother later. So first let's go up here. We're going quite high. Look at this. It's okay to get up there. I wish I could just go there and get up there, but I can't because it's blocked. It's really blocked. Here. There's my grandmother. Whew. Oh my god, that's my grandmother's friend, I mean. Whew. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe.